What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com doing a quick review on CGC. This has been one of my bellwether stocks over the last couple months. I've just been shorting it over and over and over again, and today no different. Now, over the last little while, there's been a lot of chitter chatter about Canopy, about ACB, Aurora, and a couple of the cannabis stocks and how they're rallying and that they found their bottom and this and that. And I don't know that that is accurate. And I say that primarily because if you look at CGC, it is down a bunch from this point right through here. In fact, to this low, it's down over 73% in less than a year. So that's a pretty big rip to the downside, and this has been just a little move over the course of 3 days to the upside. I think it's more of a relief rally, if you will, maybe a short squeeze, maybe short covering, I don't know, but at any rate, I think it's done. And today you can see the pre-market price action did move up a bunch, moved up higher out of the gate, and then just sort of systematically started to break down. And you know, this wasn't really on my list of things to trade today. I was waiting for other things to develop, but it did give me an opportunity, and so I couldn't say no. The one thing that really struck me was on this 15-minute chart. We had this this pin bar right through here, this rejection candle, and what it sort of said to me was, I think you're going to want to look at this. Price action might reject these highs and turn lower, and it did exactly just that. So when the bottom of that candle actually broke down lower, I prompted myself to get short. And intraday optionable trades a short week this week, but it was a short trade, and I grabbed some weekly puts, and I think I bought these at around maybe 51, 52, 53 cents, and this thing just moved you know, systematically lower and lower and lower, and by the end of the day in this general area right through here, I was covering these at just around 70 cents. So it was about a 20-cent move roughly at the end of the day on CGC, and it was a nice little play to the downside. Not a lot to it. And this is one of the stocks that I've been watching closely over the last little while since I called for this big short. And any opportunity I get to short this thing, I absolutely do. And just follow very, very simple rules that I look for when trading. You know, trading isn't really something that has to be overthought. You just need to be looking for very, very key things. And this just gave me all of those things that I needed to see. And the probabilities definitely worked out in my favor today. And that was CGC. It might be one of the only trades that I put on this week. Again, we've got a short week. Markets closed on Thursday, and we've got a short week on Friday, I believe. So I don't know that there's going to be a ton of volume out there. I think maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, markets are going to get pretty quiet. So this could be a one and done type of thing for the week. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. There's already news hitting our desk about some low floats that are on absolute fire after market, and so we'll be watching those going into the open tomorrow. If you have any questions about this trade or anything else that we're looking at, info@jlewistrading.com.